Meron ka bang hindi nagustuhan na ex namin?
Dapat parang sa kanya yung tanong.
Ilalabas ko ba yun?
Hindi meron ilan.
Hello guys, so I'm Justin.
My name is Cheska.
Hi, my name is Andy.
I'm Carlos.
I'm Hendog.
I'm Fitz.
I'm OJ.
I'm JM. I'm Matt. I'm Christian.
And what is your relationship with each other?
Barkadas.
Saks lang.
Okay lang.
Best friends.
Friends.
For 12
years. years.
I'm the boss. They're my minions.
At least yun yung iniisip niya sa ulo niya. Yeah.
As long as he's happy, that's fine.
Basically, kami yung boys at the back vibe sa classroom. Ako po sa grupo yung mahiyain. I'll consider myself as life of the parties ng group.
Well, they're both musicians. OJ is more of a gamer. Fitz is smarter, maybe.
Si Justin, para siyang kuya ng lahat. And si Andy, siya yung baby girl. And si Carlos, next question.
Si Cheska lagi yung maraming pinagdaanan sa life.
Today, we are going to test your friendship with a lie detector and a set of question cards. But we have a twist. If you are caught lying, you will be doing a dare.
Yes!
Can you tell us what you're gonna drink today?
Today we're drinking Hard Mountain Dew.
Hard Mountain Dew.
We got the beach blast here.
Oh,
Ikaw.
I got the original.
5% alcohol lang siya. Oh.
Cheers, bro.
Let's go, let's go.
Sarap.
Parang lasang lang, yung normal na Mountain Dew.
Sarap. Mapapainom ka na mapapainom dito.
Bagal nyo.
Question number 1.
Do you have a favorite friend in the group?
Hala!
Sagutin mo naman!
Whoa, that's a spicy one.
Bro, we all know the answer.
Favorite friend? Actually, I treat them all the same.
No,
No.
Yes.
I don't have a favorite friend in the group, bro.
What? I'm your favorite friend in the group.
Wala nga akong favorite. Walang favoritism pero pinaka-tinotolerate namin ito.
I wouldn't say I have like the favorite. I'm close to each one in like a different way.
Favorite niya kasi girlfriend niya.
Mas close siya sa babae nung college.
Cheers to that.
We're approaching dangerous territory,
Hoy, hindi, magde-dare ka.
Okay. For your dare, let someone draw on your face.
For the rest of the interview.
Hard yes or hard pass? Sige, hard yes.
Hard yes!
Uy, palaban.
Ito.
Do the honors.
Pakiangat ng salamin. Yan. Pre, hindi naman tiger yan eh. Hindi pa tiger yan.
Ika muna.
You know? Cheers!
Nagsinungaling ka na ba ever sa amin to protect our feelings? Yes.
Yes, obviously.
Siyempre naman.
Kinig sa GC.
Uy, ba't ka? Ba't nanginig ako? Magsabi akong totoo.
Bakit tukunog?
Feel ko wala ito.
Oh.
Yung mga bagay na hindi ka na dapat sabihin or di alam ng friend mo.
You know, let's be honest, Fitz, you don't really sing that well.
Sample, isa. Sample? Pogi mo, pre, ganun.
Pag pinapayuhan niyo ako about sa relationship ko, ganyan, para lang hindi na kayo mag-alala or what, sinabi ko na lang, okay lang, ganyan. Maganda pag magkasama tayo, happy lang.
Yes, agree.
Walang negative something, so.
May dare ka ba? Oo nga, maganda ka. Show us your search history right now. No deleting. Hard yes.
Hard yes.
Oh, matapang.
Wala akong kinakatakot.
Bigay mo yung siguro top 10.
Top 10.
Pagkain.
Stream is, pang Stream is, panood ng NBA.
Basketball.
The dessert yun, dessert.
Ano to, dessert?
Main course yan.
Wala puro NBA ito eh. Ba naman, bulok naman ang search history mo.
Wow,
Honest.
proud kami sa'yo. Nakapag-delete ka bago ka pumunta rito.
Be honest, meron ka bang hindi nagustuhan na ex namin?
Dapat parang sa kanya yung tanong.
Ang tingin niyo?
Sumagot ka.
Ilalabas ko ba yun?
Hindi meron ilan.
Bastos!
Actually, yes.
Meron? Meron o wala lang, pre? Meron.
Madami.
Bro! Tumutok eh. What? So you liked our exes?
Hindi, kasi ginulat mo ako eh.
Meron. Explain.
I'm pretty sure your exes did not like me.
Siguro with Chess, alam naman na natin lahat na kung gaano yung pinagdaanan niya as a soldier of
Oh my
love.
God.
Bes, kasi tatanga-tanga ka naman kasi talaga.
Oo nga, akin na nga yung isa.
Oh, there.
Oh my God, Andy. Record a voice message of you singing a song and send it to a random contact. Hard pass, hard yes.
Hard yes.
Yun.
Let's go!
Alright, yes! Kahit wala akong boses! I'm gonna sing a line from an original song. 1, 2, 3. Pare, sinabi ko naman sa'yo, huwag man loloko ng babae.
Nobody wanna see us together, but it don't matter. 'Cause I got you.
Ikaw tuloy ang talo, tingnan mo naman si Endog.
Nobody wanna see us together, but it don't matter, no.
Okay, yun lang yung kakantahin ko. Thank you.
Well played.
Galing.
Between all of us, who would you choose as your emergency contact?
Justin.
Matik yan.
Si Matt na lang pre, may kotse eh.
I would choose Fitz.
Really?
Dude, it's Fitz!
But I'm the fun one. Oh, I knew you should pick me.
Ay! Sorry! Grabe, mahiya naman kayo sa akin.
So, tangina mo, ako talaga yun. I respond fast.
Sige. Pero aminin ko, pre, nung napilayan ka, tumawa talaga ako nun.
Pre, kung yun yung scenario, napilayan ka, pre, may load daw pantawag ng emergency hotlines.
May load din naman ako.
Weh, lagi kang tulog eh.
Wala akong laban doon.
Bakit ako?
Kasi, maasahan kay... Pag ayaw namin ma-real talk, hindi kami pumupunta kay Justin.
Pag gusto mong itolerate ka, wag kayo dyan.
Okay, Justin. Pero pag kailangan mo ng sampal kay Justin.
Eh, since nakuryente siya, there siya
Oh,
pare.
there.
Have someone do a dramatic reading of any of your messages.
Hindi, hard pass na lang ako.
Oh, sige. Good choice.
Masyadong personal sa kanya ang mga message niya. Let's respect that.
Ready? Yeah. Told you a couple days back that I had a bad dream, right? The bad dream was that I was in like a tunnel, but I saw you at the end of it. I was running towards you, and you weren't getting any closer. But further and further away. I kept on running and shouting to you till I was crying and just screaming.
But it was a Sunday night. And I had the same dream again. But this time, you saw me. And you smiled. I lifted you up.
Diba? I mean, sino di may love sa akin dyan, bro? Come on. I really don't know why I chose that one.
Oh my God, Tin. Sino sa tingin mo ang magiging most successful sa grupong to?
Parang wala.
Sama-sama tayo dito.
Tataka na tayo pa ba?
Ako.
Makadaya.
Hindi kasi, sige, choices ha. Tanggal na to. Feeling ko si Cheska.
I hate to say it, but Fitz.
Legit.
Am I?
Yeah. He's really like a hardworking guy. It's an easy answer. I would have said the same thing and none of us would have felt bad.
Si Cheska marami talagang potential. If she's gonna...
Use her brain, Char.
Oo.
Actually,
Exactly. Pag yung mga sinet mo yung heart mo sa mga gusto mong gawin, feeling ko ikaw na mag-aahon sa amin sa hirap.
Tayo.
Chance pa ako.
Okay, in my defense, lahat tayo magiging successful. Yun
Tama
naman
sagot,
yung gusto
tama
ng
sagot.
lahat. Pero ang tanong, most, pag ikaw tinanong ng gano'n na question, hindi sasabihin mo rin, ikaw.
Oh.
Oo, di ba? Ikaw.
Kayo.
Magtakman sa board.
Inom na lang tayo.
Cheers.
You don't deserve the dude.
May blue pala.
Oo.
Anong difference ng blue sa green?
Try ko.
Wala, mas masarap.
Legit. Oo.
Okay.
Okay, may dare ako.
Share something you haven't told anyone on your Instagram story or social media.
Pero meron ba akong hindi sinishare sa inyo?
Yun nga eh.
Ay, di ko nakwento sa inyo to. Alam niyo ba yan? Hindi niyo alam yan, di ba? Basically, nag-judge ako sa isang competition.
Ikaw?
O, di mo? Hindi mo alam?
Anong qualifications mo, bre? Ay, hindi.
Pre, dance compet.
UAAP champ!
Oh.
Ayaw. Champion nga. Champion nga pala yung tropa namin. yung
Twice.
80.
Twice.
Ay, baka mag-iyakan dito sa question na to para sa
Will we be in each other's lives 10 years from now?
Of course.
Tingnan natin, malay mo sinungaling. May lahi ka pa naman.
Hard yes, man.
Pag yan tumunog, babato ko sa mukha ko
Hindi,
yun ah.
hard yes.
Hard pass. I want to have richer friends.
Hindi. Hard yes talaga to, man. Let me defend myself, guys.
I expected that to be a lie.
Just because you have this calling card now that says Chef Hendog.
before this, he was like, dude, I have like a calling card right now. Dude, look at this shit. Chef Hendog.
Mag-change lang yung priorities natin. Hindi na tayo katulad nung college na ganito lagi nagkikita, ganun. Teka lang.
Nangyari sa'yo?
Umaangat go. Pero when you guys reunite, parang walang nangyari. Parang hindi years yung na hindi kayo nagkita, di ba? Love you.
I just want to say I'm so proud of you guys.
I love you guys. I love you, Justin. I love you, Cheska. I love you, Andy.
I feel like at this point in life, it is so rewarding to see myself and my friends grow, become better people, become successful. I'm trying to be f***ing heartfelt.
I think sa isang tao, ganito dapat yung kind of friendship na kinikip mo in your life. Ito yung literal na through good times and bad times.
I don't really care what my friends are doing as long as they're happy. Even if they do have problems in life, I'll always be there to help them out.
Ito talaga yung masasabi kong for life.
Solid kayo, ano.
Guys.
It's like old times.
Cheers.
Cheers.
One for the box.